Good morning children, this is grade 3 science class. Hope you all are doing the revision part and learning the answers. Now, today we will do the revision of next part of our lesson. We have completed S1 and S2 in block 4, types of plants. Now today we will revise S3 and S4. So what did we learn in S3? Trees and grasses. And S4, plant types. So in trees and grasses, these are also a kind of plant type. And what did we learn in this? Features of trees, features of grasses, and how they are different. How the trees are different from grasses. And similar, the plant types, how they are similar to each other and how they are different to each other. So based on the step, we have differentiated into 6 types. So how they are similar to each other and how they are different to each other, we have learned in the plant types. So and the features of trees and grasses we have learned. Now let us read the lesson and revise the next concepts.
Open your reader, page number 31 children. So already we have learned the features of trees and grasses. Once again read the lesson. Trees are tall and big plants. They have a thick brown and woody stem called trunk. They have many branches coming out of the thick trunk. So the examples also you are going to learn: neem tree, mango tree and coconut tree. Grasses. Grasses are the most common types of plants seen around us. They can be as small as a lawn grass and as big as a bamboo plant. Lawn grass, rice and maize. Examples of trees are peepal, banyan, apricot and peach. And the grasses, rice, wheat, maize and bamboo. Even you have to learn the glossary also. Climber, creeper, herb and shrub. Climber, the plant that grows by climbing on some support, and creeper, plant that grows or spreads on the ground. Herb, a plant with soft stem. Shrub, plant with woody stems. Now we'll see the practice questions, children. Now today you are going to write 5th and 6th, and 7 and 8 you are going to learn the answers, children. What are the features of a tree and how are grasses similar to other types of plants? Already we have written answer for this. These 2 answers write in your revision part, and the remaining questions also you have to learn. Now we'll see the workbook. Take out your workbook, page number 27. Trees and grasses. What makes trees different from all other types of plants? So the question is similar to the practice question. So if you learn this answer, you can write that answer also. Trees are tall and big plants. They have thick trunk. So in this way, they are different from other types of plants. Circle the grasses. Why do you think they are grasses? So in this way, you may get any plant pictures and you are going to identify which plant is a grass. B and D are grasses here because they are green and very near to the ground. Now look at third one. Can grass be as tall as a tree? If yes, give examples. Yes, grass can be as tall as tree, like bamboo and sugarcane. Even grass also will grow as big as tree. So what are that? Bamboo and sugarcane. Examples, names also you have to remember. And you write this third one. From workbook you are going to write third question in your revision part. Write 2 times, children. Now look at S4 plant types. Complete the table. So in this way you may get any table. You may get any different types of plants. They may ask you to identify which is a herb one and what are the features of it, and which is a shrub. With different types of plants, they may ask you to identify and write the features of it. So you have to learn this table. Look at the first one. It is a herb which is having, why do you think so? Because it is having soft and green stem. And the second picture, it is a grass, soft and green, which grows near to the ground. Now third picture, it is a shrub. It is having a woody stem and branches are near to the ground. And fourth one, it is tree. It is tall and having woody trunk. Fifth one, it is a climber. It is having weak stem and needs supports to grow. So in this way you have to learn all the features of all the types of plants, children. Learn all the questions and write the 3 questions which I have given in revision part, children. Okay? Do your works. Thank you.